What's up, people? So today we're going to talk about a Android application which is a photo editor, and it's very helpful, especially when it's a quick editing which you need to do. There are a lot of times when there are unwanted images which are we get which get clicked in our pictures by mistakenly, and it's really difficult sometimes. There are tools like Adobe and other softwares as well where you can go ahead and remove them, but it's quite a tedious job because you need to know the tools, the shortcuts, the how to handle that particular tools and stuff like that. But with Touch Retouch, it's quite simple. You just have to select the object and it will just vanish it for you. It's a paid application. Now the moment I say it's a paid application, you might be wondering why would you buy that. So there is a way I'm going to tell you. I've already actually previously made a video on that. There's an application called as Google Rewards Opinion. You can download that application. It's a survey application. You get surveys regularly on that app, and just for like a minute or two survey, you get paid from 10 rupees to 15 rupees, and sometimes it reaches to 20 rupees. So you might as well go ahead and try that particular video. I'm gonna link that video somewhere in the corners. You can have a look. Well, coming back to the application, yeah, so it's really simple, guys. I'm gonna show you a quick run through how can you go ahead and edit the videos on your phone without knowing any shortcuts, any tedious tools. So without any delay, let's get started, guys. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I keep on making such kind of videos on a regular basis, and that really motivates me when you guys subscribe to create more and more videos for you guys. So let's get started.
So here we are on the mobile screen. As you see, I've already installed the software. There are some new updates which have been launched recently. You can go ahead and check it out. The normal cost for this application is generally 150 to 200 rupees, but it's very easy to go ahead and buy that, guys. It's basically, see, I have an application installed as Google Opinion Rewards, in which I have a balance of 281 rupees currently. If you have not watched that video of mine, I'm gonna go ahead and link that video. You can go ahead and start earning money through that, and then you can go ahead and purchase the application. Let's open the app. um, for the demonstration purposes, I've already shortlisted a few images. I am going to show you that. I'm basically a cartoon fan, so in case, for example, if you want to edit this image and you don't want Muriel to appear in this image, you're just gonna simply click on object removal and select that object and click on go. So if you see, mural is gone completely. Now you will be able to see this slight mishap which has happened over here, a blemish kind of a thing. You can just go ahead and clear it with a quick fix, and it's completely normal. There is another tool which I wanted to tell you about is quick repair was the other tool. There is another tool called as line removal, for example. Now this is something which I don't use a lot, but there would be people who would consider using this. Now, as we see, there are a lot of lines. It is automatically capturing those lines and it's removing those lines. So this is really helpful, especially if you wanna go ahead and remove a wire or something which is like a string from your images sometimes. So this is another feature which I wanted to tell you. Let's take another image. Mm, for example, if I want to remove this airplane, I would just go ahead and select this object and click on go, and the airplane is gone. In case I want to go ahead and do the quick repair here, again, that is sorted. So this is how you can go ahead and remove the images. It's quite worthy, guys, because it just costs like some 50 rupees, and it's a really quick guide for editing your images. Let's have another one. For example, if I want to remove this model from here, I'm just gonna select the model and click on go, and the model is completely gone. Again, following the same one, if you feel that there is a repair which is required here, you can just go ahead and select it and it will start repairing. For example, if I don't want this wire, let's say over here, and no one would be able to rectify that there was a model which was standing. The similar way, you can just go ahead and remove this brush, I mean, sorry, the drum, and do a quick brush. So these were few images which I wanted to show you. Again, for example, if this is the image, you want to go ahead, object removal, just select this circular moon and click on go. The moon is completely gone. So this was my tutorial about how can you go ahead and remove the objects from a particular image with this software, with this application. Please let me know, guys, how did you find this video in the comment section below, and I'm gonna list down my social media accounts in the video description below in case if you have any queries or if you want to get in touch with me regarding any query or any questions. You can directly contact me on my social media accounts. That was all from my end for today. I will be back with another hack. Please follow and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and thank you for watching, guys. Keep geeking.